Hey guys, hope you're well. In today's video, we are going to look at 7 of the most important O-level math topics that are part of your syllabus. The reason why I say these topics are important is because they are examiners' favorite topics and are present in almost every math paper too. 60 to 70% of your exam is made up of a handful of these topics. So let's have a look at what these topics are. Topic 1 is a group of money, percentages, exchange rates, interest, and taxes. Pick up any paper too, and you will see that a question on these topics is a must. Very rarely do you see an exam that does not have a question based on these topics. Topic number 2 is statistics, a very prominent topic present in almost every math exam. You may get a question on mean, median, or mode, cumulative frequency curves, histograms, bar charts, pie charts, or scatter plots. Questions on this topic are generally very easy. However, lack of practice may be the only reason you may get this question wrong. Topic number 3 is algebra, which includes equations and inequalities, making subject, factorization, simplification, using the quadratic formula. Basically, you should have a very good grip on algebra because any math exam is incomplete without this topic. Topic number 4 is graphs of functions. From the name itself, you may know that a question on this topic will have a graph in it. The first few questions on this topic, let's say the question has 6 parts. So the first 3 parts are going to be very easy. However, students mess up in the ending parts of this question. For that, it is recommended that a student must have a solid grip on simultaneous equations and coordinate geometry. If you have a very solid grip on these two topics, then when you attempt a question on graphs of functions, it will be easy for you to do that. Trigonometry, that is topic number 5. This is one of the most extensive topics in your syllabus. A question may be based on bearings, the Pythagoras theorem, three-dimensional trigonometry, the cosine rule, sine rule, angles of elevation or depression. Since this topic is very extensive, you are advised to practice a lot of questions based on this before you sit for your exams, as this is one of the most prominent topics in Math Paper 2. Topic number 6 is mensuration. This topic is divided into 2D and 3D mensuration. Even though the formula sheet is provided to you in your exam, students still have a hard time arriving at the correct answer. And sometimes this topic is also coupled with other topics such as trigonometry. So it is very likely that this topic may be in your next exam. So please make sure that you practice enough of these questions as well. Pick up past papers from 2010, 2011 and make sure that you practice those questions as well, as there are some difficult questions present in older past papers. Topic number 7 is probability. Subtopics may include simple probability, tree diagrams, possibility diagrams, etc. If a long form question on this topic is not present in your exam, then it must be that it is coupled with some other topic such as statistics and maybe part of your math paper too. The most difficult question on probability that you may get would be worth 3 or 4 marks. However, sometimes you get extremely tricky questions, so it is advised that you practice a lot of this topic before you sit for your exam. Please note that I haven't mentioned any of the other topics. That does not mean that they are not important. They are equally important. In fact, at times, the other topics become the deciding factor between an A or an A star. This is why you should study all the topics from your syllabus. What I've done is I have merely pointed out 7 of the most prominent topics in your math paper too. Because sometimes I get questions from students. They are asking from where should we start studying from. So basically these 7 topics that I've mentioned in this video, you can start from those topics. But make sure that you study all the topics in your syllabus. If this video was helpful, hit the like button. And for more news and updates, subscribe to our channel. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next one.